United States President Donald Trump's bid to repeal Obamacare suffers a bitter blow Thursday as opposition from within his Republican Party delays a crucial vote in Congress. Trump repeatedly voiced optimism about convincing doubters to join his camp in dismantling the Affordable Care Act. But the votes for Trump's plan, dubbed the American Health Care Act, weren't there. North Carolina Representative Mark Meadows, chairman of the conservative House Freedom Caucus, says Republican lawmakers demand major changes to the plan. Meadows says, quote, "At this point, we are trying to get another 30 to 40 votes that are currently in the no category to yes." The White House says it expects a vote Friday and downplays suggestions that Trump failed to close the deal.